Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and we like to talk about handbags here on this channel. So if that sounds like fun to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome back. Guys, I just wanted to share with you a new bag. I do have an unboxing to show you today, and it's not gonna come as a surprise to you guys because I definitely have been like digging this brand. It is Dooney, and they've had a sale going. They had a really good sale on regulardooney.com. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. I do wanna show my regular, this is my bag of the day right now. I'll get to that real quick. I'm currently using my Coach Ruby in the size, well, it's the 25. Basically, it's the main Coach Ruby bag. I absolutely adore this. And I know when you see this bag that I'm gonna reveal, like you'll be like, why did you get that when you already have this one? So I really like the rubies. Okay, so that's what I'm using today. I will get straight up into the unboxing. So here she is. It just came, and my address is like plastered on the top. Why they did that, I don't know. Here we go. Okie dokie, so this is it. They definitely don't provide like any bubble wrap or anything like that whenever they send their bags, but they do wrap their bags pretty well, I will say. So this is the Dooney Bourke mini size Florentine satchel. It's the black on black. I'm gonna get right into this, and I'll probably speed up this part. Okay, so yes, again, like this is the mini size, and right now currently I have 3 of these satchels. I have the regular size satchel in navy, and then I have the chestnut in the same size. I wanted one more mini because it's like a perfect everyday size. And I like the size because I do like to wear these sometimes as crossbodies, and whereas my larger one I do wear like as a long shoulder bag. So it's just really gorgeous. I love the black with the green, and I just feel like I can never have too many black bags. You know what I mean? Like I just wanted to grab it, so I did. It was on super deep sale. It's just gorgeous. Now the texture of this leather, they all vary. This is not pebbled, but it's not smooth, I'm noticing. It is more grained. It's very natural grain, but the quality feels so substantial. I'm obsessed. I love it. I just really, really love, I really love that this is not a returned bag too. I can totally tell that no one returned this, so I'm digging it. There's no imperfections at all. Here's the bottom and what it looks like, the side, and it's already kind of flexible there on the top, which I really like. Yeah, I just am so excited to start using this. So yeah, definitely excited. I just really wanted to do this quick unboxing. Let me show you these two side by side, just so you can see them side by side. The mini satchel is a slight bit longer than, see that? The Coach Ruby. This is very much more comparable, I'd say, to the micro. Definitely more comparable to the micro satchel. That's why I like to have a little bit more play in this one compared to this bag. And then I like these bags a little bit more than these because the zipper does not rip the crap out of your hand in these bags. I have a comparison, I'll link it down below, between my other mini satchel and that bag. So But yeah, I just forever love Dooney. Am I done buying Dooney and Bourke for a minute? Possibly. Like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take a break from buying Dooney for a minute, and because guess what's coming out at Coach soon? They're coming out with a denim drop, and it's the dark denim. They're also coming out with like black denim bags at the main Coach store. And I'm definitely gonna check out those ones because they're just, like, it's the darker blue denim with the vachetta leather that's coming out. So there's some beautiful stuff that's coming out at Coach. And I know it's gonna continue to come out, like, with just, I just really, really love Coach too. They're having a definite moment. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and take care. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.